13. It's Karan's favorite number. Actually not, because he's saying it's his unlucky number for some reason. I don't know why. Anyways, today I wanted to tell you a little bit about our business and what we are planning to do. We have written down some markets where we want to go. I've written down some here. We have already one market going on Sunday. It was kind of a coincidence that we found this market because I was driving, and while I was driving I was listening to radio, and in the radio there was this speaker talking about one art market, and he was saying that kind of artists are missing because nobody wants to go there anymore because it was raining every year or something like that. So I started messaging the channel, and they put me live on the radio station and talking to me what I want to do, and so we got this market there. It's on Sunday. We got it free of cost, and yeah. So all these other markets I've sent an email to apply, because it's not like that you can just go there and put your stall. It's not as easy as that. You have to apply first, and then you have to pay for your market stand. Also in Germany, if you want to do a market, you have to be registered as an independent worker. You need a Gewerbeanmeldung, which is kind of your license that you're allowed to make a business. You cannot just simply go anywhere and put your stall or market. So that's why Karan and I are in the process of registering our own business. We haven't done it yet. We are in one program who's helping us, which is the Social Impact Lab in Leipzig. They have one program of workshops which is called Selbstständig, and there they help like young people up to 30 to register themselves, because it's quite a hard job to do it here. It's like lots of paperwork. There's so many different sections which you can register as an artist or as an independent worker, and it's a lot. You have to do a business plan and all this kind of stuff, and if you're new to these things, this can be a little bit overwhelming. So I'm happy that we found this program. It's also like it's financed from one other company, I forgot the name. So this is free for us. They're helping really young people for free to set up their business and to keep on going. Yeah, this guy who's helping us, he gave us one homework to find markets where we want to go to. We have written down one page. And also he's telling us that we should write down where we see us at the end of the year, what we want to have achieved. Yeah, we have already told you guys what we want to have achieved, but we haven't told him yet. We're still waiting for our appointment so that we can go there. We still have to write it down, and maybe when Karan comes later, we put it all on paper, what we want to do till the end of this year. And yeah, we want to set up our own business. We want to sell our art. We want to go to different markets, and for that we need this license very urgently, because we can't wait to go to every single market.
Hey guys, today is day 13.
Yeah,
today is day 13 and that is my favorite number, and we are here on the street of Leipzig, and they're celebrating 1 week of World Gothic Day. But what interests me right now is this guy who's standing in front as an art. So we're gonna go appreciate him. This is the black ice cream.
Black vanilla ice cream.
Let's see what we get. And how is it?
Tastes like normal ice cream.
Hey friends, welcome back. We are home, and now we have all this stuff for painting there. We're gonna pour some more frames and more canvases for the Sunday market. And it was a very beautiful day today. Walked a lot, gonna make some list for how to set up your own business, the aim, the target audience. We have to write it down because this organization that is helping us needs all this from us. And these days Saskia is editing the videos and they're coming out very nice, so I have given this work to her.
I have given this work.
Now
Carol
we
is the
are
painter now, and I'm
now
the
we are
video
like
editor.
kind of changing lives. Before I used to make videos and edit, she used to paint, and now she's making the videos and editing and I'm painting.
So that's the beauty, no?
So
You
that's
get a little bit of everything.
that's the other side of the life. Let's live it. Let's stay connected. See you, Morgan.
See you tomorrow.